Hello, my name is Rodney Kawecki. I've been doing YouTube videos. I've written some books on the theory of relativity. I started studying relativity because I discovered that in 1942, all his theories, one written in 1905, Special Theory of Relativity, about a spaceship of light. And then in 1915, I think it was, the General Theory of Relativity. Now, in 1942, Einstein was discovered to be wrong. They found out that the universe was expanding, and that took his theory and it became his blunder, his biggest blunder. He did come out with E equals mc squared. But I have a new mystery about that. Edwin Hubble, the Hubble telescope, discovered the universe was expanding, and it was expanding at a velocity faster than light. Now, in the early 1900s, to 1950, let's say, physicists was working on the idea that everything evolved between 0 and the speed of light. Actually smaller than that, but it still constituted a maximum velocity of the speed of light. Well, when they discovered that the universe was expanding faster than light, the maximum velocity involved in particle physics was wrong. Einstein was proved wrong. The speed of light isn't the maximum velocity. There is no time travel. There is no speed limit at light velocity. There's no infinite future, and there's no fourth dimension. What do you think about that? No fourth dimension. I'm trying to resolve something else. E equals mc squared. What about E equals mc squared? As a physicist, you would think that the speed of light, c, equals mc squared, or mc, at the speed of light, c over v, is the maximum velocity. If it's not the maximum velocity anymore, and gravity travels faster than the speed of light, which means faster than c, then E doesn't equal mc squared. It equals whatever that velocity is. The theory of relativity, or general relativity, was based on the idea that gravity in space gravity, all gravity, Newton's physics, Newton gravity is gravity that has to do with Earth, and it has a measurement. Einstein's theory on gravity has to do with space. But universal gravity, which Isaac Newton talked about, it's the big G. The little g is planetary gravity. The big G is space. And space is traveling faster than the speed of light, which means E does not equal mc squared anymore. Well, not anymore, it just don't. that means when you look under a telescope and want to examine, see, they examine things from the zero and up, or preferably the smallest point they have, in that energy of a particle. And but they don't have an actual speed limit. They say it's the speed of light. Well, the speed of light is slow now. It's not the speed limit. It's faster than light. What that speed limit, that's in my next ebook. I do have the equations for that, and they are in a couple of my videos, how fast we can travel through space. The same way that Einstein's ideas were based on the speed of light. The speed of light's been around even before Einstein, but what he did is he took it and took everything that had to do with the universe and said the speed of light is the maximum velocity. Nothing can go faster than the speed of light. Well, now we do know something does travel faster than the speed of light, the universal gravity. But my idea today is E equals mc squared. E does not equal mc squared no more. See, the real equation is C over V. It's E equals m0 C over V. Speed and the components of particle physics are both relative to the speed of light. That's the max. Well, the speed of light ain't no more max, so E does not equal mc squared. It's bigger, and the universe is bigger, and the universe is expanding. And the sooner it gets out there that this is the real deal, the real G, then the faster we can reevaluate our conditions, my other videos, the black box, what travels faster than light, they all talk about this speed limit. Vaguely, maybe there isn't no speed limit. The edge of the universe, or the horizon of the universe. The Earth has a horizon too. You start out and you travel, let's say, towards the North Pole. Well, you pass up the North Pole and just keep on going around and around our planet. But the event horizon shows that there's light there. It just continues. It's like, it's the universe is. The universe is the same way. It's bigger than what Einstein says, and it's expanding. And since it's expanding, and preferably its scale, how big it is, how many light years there involves in travel, we can never catch up with the radius of the universe, not the perimeter, the radius. It's a three-dimensional object, sphere. And like the Earth's event horizon, the idea about event horizon, there's a division between where Earth is, the surface of the Earth sky, and the space above it, or around it, all around it. But focused in that straight direction. And maybe it looks like a light, but, in a event horizon light, but we just go it's a, what do they call it? Not an illusion, but it's there, but it doesn't actually mean nothing, except for what I just told you, you know. But anyways, the universe, there's no speed. Anyways, I would say that there's no actual speed limit, because we can never catch up with the density of such a big sphere. You know, the bubble, the balloon that Edwin Hubble talks about. Einstein says the universe is flat. Any event, what I'm talking about is, if the universe is traveling fast, then it's no longer the speed limit, which means E does not equal mc squared over V squared. It's bigger. In a couple of my videos, the black box universe, I tell my specifications, my equations that I tell about those equations, that how fast I believe gravity is. Anyways, this video is about E equals mc squared, that no longer equals mc squared. So in my equations, E equals m0q, which is my definition of how fast the universe is traveling, or gravity in the universe. The big G is traveling. And that's my controversy with this new equation, with this new. Anyways, I hope you like my video. Thank you very much.